As you know, we do advertising, promotion, and public relations. We work with dental practices of all shapes and sizes. A worthwhile and notable thing that we've observed, especially when it comes to new patients and dealing with handling existing patients and keeping them all very happy, is having a well-functioning front desk. Have you ever called a business before, were put on hold and got disconnected? Or what about if the person who picked up the phone was rude? Sounds like they didn't want to talk. Or what if your questions couldn't be answered on the phone? An improperly functioning front desk can be one of the surest ways to not only lose potential business with that specific prospect, but also to lose potential referral business because that prospect is generally going to talk. Again, this applies to existing patients and new potential patients. So in the area of public relations, which we deal with, this is one of the big problems that we see. So make sure your front desk is right and don't inadvertently stop or hinder your success. If you'd like some tips or questions on this area, always feel free to reach out to us. All contact info is below. Jason Wydro here with Golden Dental Marketing. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.